Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
If you recently purchased a DJI Mavic 3 Pro, you are conscious of the importance of maintaining such a costly piece of gear. You can make sure that your drone is safe and secure and protected from harm with the appropriate protective case. We've compiled this list of the top 3 DJI Mavic 3 Pro protective cases for that reason. On number 1, we have Lykus 2023 Titan M340 Hard Case. One of the top DJI Mavic 3 Pro protective cases available on the market is the Lykus 2023 Titan case. This case is an excellent option for outdoor enthusiasts, photographers, and professional flyers who need to travel their drones safely because it is made with excellent parts which offer great protection for your drone. The Lycus Hard Tough case is made of polypropylene material and provides strong protection against shock and pressure. This implies that your DJI Mavic 3 Pro will be properly protected from impacts, scratches, and water damage. Soft, shock-absorbing foam lines the case's interior, further protecting your drone from impacts. The foam interior of the Lykus 2023 Titan M340 Hard Case may be cut to precisely fit your DJI Mavic 3 Pro and accessories. This minimizes the possibility of damage by ensuring a tight fit that keeps everything in place during delivery. The Lykus 2023 Titan M340 Hard Case is not only an excellent protector, but it is also quite practical. It has 2 locks that keep your equipment safe and secure, as well as a sturdy handle that makes carrying it simple. On number 2, we have StartRC Hard Case. Another excellent choice for safeguarding your DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the StartRC Hard Case. High-quality EVA material, which is used to make this case, provides water and shock resistance. In addition, it has a strong shell casing that protects your drone from dents, scratches, and other harm. You don't need to be worried about the Mavic 3 Pro moving around within this case because it features a bespoke cutout design that properly fits the device. Your controller, batteries, charger, and other equipment can all fit within with room to spare. The mesh pocket on the underside of the lid is one of this case's special features. Small extras like memory cards, additional propellers, or lens filters can be stored in this pocket. Along with a shoulder strap, the StartRC Hard Case is easy for taking wherever you go. Overall, if you want to secure your DJI Mavic 3 Pro with a tough, high-quality case, this is a wonderful option. On number 3, we have Coyktonty Hard Case. The Coyktonty Hard Case is yet another excellent pick in the field of DJI Mavic 3 Pro protective cases. It is abrasion-resistant, durable, and shock and pressure-reducing rigid casing. Your DJI Mavic 3 Pro will be safe and free from scratches thanks to the inside foam. For those who want to fly their drones in a variety of weather conditions, your drone and accessories are kept firmly in place by a safe and user-friendly locking system. Additionally, it has an ergonomic grip that makes transporting your drone simple. The tiny size of this case is one of its distinguishing qualities. You can easily store it in small locations because to its slim and elegant design. This makes it ideal for anyone who frequently travel or need to move their DJI Mavic 3 Pro around. So these are some of the best cases for DJI Mavic 3 Pro to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.